Hey there food enthusiasts, Dale here from Press to Cook. Today we're diving into the world of food processors, specifically the Robot Coupe, and troubleshooting like pros. If your Robot Coupe is giving you grief, you've come to the right place. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on our kitchen adventures. Alright, let's get into it. First things first, safety. Always unplug your Robot Coupe before attempting any troubleshooting. Safety first, folks. Issue number 1, your food processor won't turn on. This can be super frustrating, right? First, check if it's plugged in properly. It sounds basic, but you'd be surprised how often this is the culprit. Next, inspect the power cord for any visible damage. A frayed or broken cord can be a major issue. If everything looks good, try plugging it into a different outlet. Sometimes the outlet itself can be the problem. Okay, still not working, let's move on to the next step. Check the bowl and lid assembly. The Robot Coupe has safety features that prevent it from operating if everything isn't aligned correctly. Make sure the bowl is locked into place and the lid is securely fastened. Listen for that satisfying click. Another common issue, the motor is running but the blades aren't spinning. Yikes, this can be a bit more complex. First, turn off and unplug the unit. Remove the bowl and inspect the blades and the drive shaft. Sometimes food particles can get stuck, preventing the blades from engaging properly. Clean everything thoroughly and reassemble the unit. If you're still having trouble, it might be a worn-out drive belt. Unfortunately, this isn't something you can fix at home unless you're really handy with tools. In this case, it's best to contact Robot Coupe customer service or take it to a professional repair shop. Next up, your food processor is making weird noises or vibrations. This can be alarming, but don't panic. First, make sure you're not overloading the machine. Too much food at once can strain the motor and cause all sorts of racket. Also, check that the unit is on a stable, flat surface. An uneven countertop can cause vibrations and noise. If the noise persists, unplug the unit and inspect the blades and motor. Look for any signs of wear or damage. A bent blade can cause a lot of noise and should be replaced immediately. Call Robot Coupe for replacement parts or visit their website. Now let's talk about poor performance. Your food isn't processing evenly. This can be super annoying, especially when you're in the middle of a big cooking project. First, make sure you're using the right blade for the job. Robot Coupe offers a variety of blades for different tasks, so pick the right one. Also, don't overload the bowl, process food in batches if necessary. If you've tried all this and still have issues, it might be time to clean the unit thoroughly. Sometimes residue can build up and affect performance. Disassemble the unit and clean all parts with warm, soapy water. Make sure everything is dry before reassembling. Alright foodies, that's a wrap on troubleshooting your Robot Coupe food processor like a pro. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Press to Cook for more kitchen tips and tricks. Got any other issues or questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out. Happy cooking everyone and see you next time.